welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is etoimazo. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is etoimazo. In English, it means to prepare, to make ready, often in the sense of God preparing something great for His people. In the Gospel of John, chapter 14, verse 2, Jesus tells His disciples, "In my Father's house, there are many dwelling places. I go to prepare a place for you." Here, etoimazo is a promise of heaven, a home made ready by Christ's own love. Now we also find this word in Luke chapter 1, verse 17, where the angel speaks of John the Baptist. He will go before the Lord to prepare a people fit for Him. Preparation here is not only about a place, but about hearts made ready to welcome the Lord. From this word, we even get our English hectic, a reminder that preparation often involves energy and effort. But for us Christians, preparation is not about stress. It is about readiness, opening ourselves to God's work in us. For us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It's a call for us to respond. This is the challenge. Do we prepare our hearts each day through prayer, charity, and openness to the Spirit? Do we help prepare others to meet Christ by our example and witness? Friends, Jesus prepares not only heaven for us, but also our hearts for His coming. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.